What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva, Crypto Babe. How's everybody doing out there on Freedom Friday? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back to Freedom Friday. All right, guys, I wanted to go over one of our crypto projects that we're a part of and just kind of show you guys where we are, what's going on, even though I know it's private. People have been still saying they just kind of want to see what's happening. So I want to show you this, but I want to also show you my plans for this particular crypto project. Now, to get here to this page to check out all the things I got going on, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. As you can see here, this is the page. All right, you can see some other things I've got going on here. Make sure, by the way, friendly reminder, get your Spritz virtual debit card, Visa virtual debit card, guys, that you can use to process transactions. You can off ramp crypto. You can use it just like you normally would any debit bank card. All right, all you got to do is fund it with your crypto, move it over from your crypto wallet over here to your virtual debit card, and you can link it to your Apple Pay or your Google Pay. All right, tap to pay. Love this little virtual card. So get you one. It's for the free 99, by the way. So you come here, check out what we got going on. Now, Stable Swap is exclusive. It's a private project now. You can't get in. I wish you guys could have gotten in when we talked about it. They launched last year of November of 2023. And I'm loving what they got going on. Real owners. All three of these projects are real owners, the real deal crypto projects. So anyway, just want you to see this page. Also come over here if you're interested in earning instant pay. If you want to learn how to build and start your own digital online business and earn up to $900 a day, come here, check this out. I'm just going through it all. This AI email marketing, we got to come back and talk about this, guys. This is amazing. We'll keep rolling. So anyway, just come over here because we'll come back and talk about that. If you need some traffic, you're struggling to get leads and people to look at your opportunity, you need eyeballs on your opportunity, come over here and purchase you some premium traffic. And of course, if you need a marketing system, we've got that covered for you too, and it's a free marketing system. All right, so just go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, check it out. All right, so let's get over here to Stable Swap because I want you guys to see this. I haven't even logged into Stable Swap in days, and I decided today, let me go in here because I intended on doing a withdrawal. All right, the other week, last week when I was talking to you guys, because I had a balance. If you recall, I was talking about it was like $90 in here, and I was going to withdraw 50 and put the other towards this right here. And then I just went in today and it's at 134. So this is passive crypto rewards, guys. All right, so I hate you guys missed out on it, but hey, you never know. It may come back and open it back up. But I do want to say, for all the people that actually registered and you just never purchased a liquidity pool, go and log in, guys, and go ahead and purchase yourself a liquidity pool because they are going to sweep the system. Eventually, they're going to go in there for all the accounts that don't have a liquidity pool attached to it. They're going to delete them out of the database. All right, so you want to go in there if you have created an account, because I looked in my back office here. I've got over 40 people that registered, but they never purchased a liquidity pool. All right, so go log in if you're still interested in purchase you a liquidity pool so you can take advantage of this. All right, so looking here, Stable Swap is doing very well. They've got over 6 million 978,439 in liquidity, and they only have 3,412 providers. Okay, so this thing is really, really rocking out. My lifetime rewards is 512. My value is 980. We're going to go ahead and add to that today, and then I'm also going to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to withdraw 50 from here, and then I'm going to put the rest into this. Okay, so let's do that. So like I said, you can't get in, so there's no need to go into that process of how to make a deposit. So what we're going to do is make a withdrawal. Let me get my info here. Hang on one moment. All right, so we got that in place. So we're going to go ahead and withdraw 50 here, right? Let's make it 52, because don't they take out something. There's a fee. I can't remember what it is. But I'm going to make it 53 because I got over then 55. What the heck? All right, so the minimum to withdraw is 50, right? So I'm going to do this. Boom, boom, boom. Click submit. All right, hang on. Whoa. So let's withdraw. We're going to go with Tron. All withdrawals are verified manually, will be processed in 4 to 12 hours. So I'm going to go with Tron here. I'm going to click confirm. They're going to send me a message. All right, hold on. Let me get that code. All right, let's put that in. Boom, your withdrawal request has been processed. See, it went down to 79. You see that? All right, now, so that's a withdrawal. Now, this is what we have left over here in our wallet. And what I'm going to do is add it over here because I want to increase this. And then I'm going to show you my long-term play with what I would like to do with StableSwap. Okay, now, so we're going to take this. So we're going to go here to liquidity pool. And 300 days is where I like to be because I'm getting the most return, 0.35% per day. For 30 days, that's 10.5 a month, guys. Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to click provide liquidity. USDT balance. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. I'm just going to go with 79. I'm going to accept the terms. I'm going to click confirm. Boom. Oh, don't like that. Let's see. Do I need to put the whole thing? Oh, maybe I need to put the, oh, you need to do that. Ha! There we go. Put your check mark here. Click confirm. USDT, new liquidity, amount, 0.35% per day. They're saying, do you want to confirm this? Is this correct? USDT wallet, yes. Boom. Your request. Now go back over. It should be 0. All right. Well, 0.85. We're back down. We cleared that out again. Now look at my current value, right? Now let's go over here also and let's look at so see, we got it at we're over 1,000. So if we come here, let's go to, let's see, let's refresh this. Hang on a second. This has to there we go. That's that transaction history. Let's come here. Okay, there it is. There's our withdrawal right there today, 7/19/51. So see, they took out 350, so that's good. I actually said 55, right? So they took out 3, so that gives me, I wanted 50. So that's right on target, and it shows you where it's going. Awesome. Isn't that wonderful? All right, so we did a withdrawal. And then I click liquidity here, and it shows me you also created a liquidity of 79. Okay, so we come back. All we have to do is click liquidity pools, and boom, here it is. Long term, there's another one. See, brand new, 79. All right, so we have all these here. Let's see, I started with them January 4th of this year. Okay. And they're still going very well. So we got, what, 103 days on these. So we're about 3 months. About 3 months left on these 3 here. which of course we're just going to add them back in. All right, now this is what I'm looking at again. Of course you can't get in here, but for any crypto project that you get started in, make sure you're using risk capital. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to advise you, nor will I ever be a financial advisor showing you guys what I'm doing. But for your sake, you want to research any crypto project and make sure you're using risk capital. Okay, because crypto, stocks, any of that stuff is risky. Okay, you could lose your money. Right, so this is what I plan on doing. Of course, I'm going to keep adding more to this, but this is just an example of what an illustration I want to show you. Check it out. This is my plan. This is what I plan to do, and probably with the other one that they have out there too. We'll talk about that on another time. But let's just say that's that $1,000, right? I'm just going to use that. I'm not worried about the cents. We're looking at per month, right? 10.5. Let me just show you for 3 years. That 1,000, right? For 3 years, just let it ride, right? And I click calculate. Wow, 43,000. That's the projection of that $1,000 just staying in there for 3 years. Don't touch it. Don't do anything, right? This is what we're looking at. So this is where I'm heading with this. Of course, we're going to add more to it, but I just want to give you a round number. What if I leave it in there for 5 years? What happens? Wow. You see how this works? Slow Eddie. $500,000, right? 540,000. See, it shows you here. Is this crazy, guys? Let's look at this. Let me show you something. Let's put it on a monthly breakdown. Let's put it on a monthly breakdown. Let's see, where is it? In 1,000, August of next year. Let's go up here. August of next year, that $1,000 could be $3,000 a month. Look at this, total earnings. August of next year, $3,000 a month. There's people that have retirement. They worked over 40 years to get $2,000 or $3,000 a month. Whereas we can get this possibility, okay, if all goes well, in 5 years, that 1,000 could be 3,000 a month. And that person has worked 40 years to be able to get this. Is that crazy? This is the power of crypto and the power of compounding. Now let's take it down to, okay, that's August. Let's say you said, well, I want 10,000 a month. Well, June of next year, because that's how it's calculated. Let's say 2026, not next year. 2026, it will be 10,590 a month. You see this? Earnings, because I put it on monthly. Is this crazy, guys? With $1,000 investment, 10,000 a month. You want to make 10,000 a month in 5 years. That's passive. Okay, as you can see, it has nothing to do with recruiting anybody. That's taking my $1,000 USDT and letting it ride out. Is that cool or what? So this is the plan that I have for stable swap. That's just 1,000. Now, if you go in and you put 2,000, of course, it's going to be even greater. But I just want you to see what we're working on over here. I am. This is my goal for the stable swap account. All right. So again, who knows? I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's the plan. All right. If all goes well and continue to do what it's doing, this is what I want to do. But of course, that's just 1,000. We'll be adding more to it. But just to give you an example of what could happen, the possibility of what $1,000 could end up being. That's only 2 years. Let's see, 3,000. Say you want 3,000. That's next year. 2025. 3,000 a month. You wait toward the end of next year. Let's say the end of next year, 2025. 5,000 a month. Okay. If we go down to summer of 2026, it's 10,500 a month. Okay. So, and we let it ride out for the whole 5 years. We're looking at that 540,000. Okay. So for me, this is like a savings. Treat it like a savings. You're not touching it. You're adding to it. You know, every so often, couple weeks or so, I'll go in there and make a little withdrawal. But overall, and that's off of the earnings. Remember, that's off of what's in here. I'm not taking from here because this, first of all, is locked in for this term. Remember, it's locked in. You can't go and withdraw from here, but you're getting the earnings, the ROI. So that's what I was withdrawing from. But this is just going to sit and we just keep adding to it. Right? So that's my plan. So anyway, just wanted to talk to you guys about that. Awesome. We are loving stable swap. So congratulations to all the stable swappers, for everybody that took action and got started with this project. We are super excited about it. And if you missed that one, guys, remember, because that one's private now, go check out 8-Bit. Okay. Go to the page. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go here and check this one out as well. All right, so just wanted to give you a quick update on that, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.